Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So it's been long that I haven't made any video on Power BI DAX. So today we will learn a very important function in Power BI, which is the switch function. So as you all know, we use if function in many cases to have the conditions met. So for example, if the month name is 1, we want to write it as Jan. If the month uh, number is 2, we want to write it as Feb, and so on. So in this we use 11 conditions. We use 11 if conditions. So instead of that, using if so many if conditions, we can simply use one function which is called switch. So let us see how we can use it. So here I have a data. So here I have a data in, and I have a ordered date. So first I want this into the number. What month number is it? So I will go to the home and I will go to transform data. So I need that data set into number, so that's why I'm going into the transform data. And in the transaction table I have this order date. So simply what will I do, I will add a new column, and under the head date I will use month because I want the month number. So if we see on the right hand side, we have the month number and the data set is also 123. So simply we will go and close, apply and close, and the data will be added to our transaction table where we can do the modifications. So now I will add a new column. Let us name it as a month name. So now we will use the DAX function switch. So what we want the month name. So month name is in month, transaction table month. So if the month number is 1, then we want Jan. If the month number is 2, we want Feb. If the month number is 3, we want March. Sorry. If it is a 4, then we want April. 5, want May. 6, June. 7, July. 8, August. 9, September. 10, OCT, October. Something went wrong. Yes. 11, Novi. And 12, we want December. So here, 1 second. Yes. So here what we have done, we have not used the if function multiple times, like if one is equal, if the month is equal to 1, then Jan. If month is equal to 2, then Feb. Instead of that, we have simply used the switch function, which is once and for all. And now let's see if it populates the result correctly or not. So if you see, the month is 11 and the month name is populating as a November. So like for 9 September, for 1 Jan, and October for 10. So this is how we use this function switch in Power BI. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye bye.